Here's a not so secret. Are you ready? Lean in closer. Scientifically, most humans are not meant to like the sound of their own voice. There, I said it. Boom. Now, I've given you the freedom to let go of this disdain, for lack of a better word, of your voice. You are not the only person in the world who does not like the sound of your voice. There are many of us who speak, who go on radio, who speak behind podiums and at pulpits, on video, on podcasts, so many different mediums, and we do not like the sound of our own voice. Many of us, in fact, do not even go back and listen to recordings of what we've said because we don't like the sound of our voice that much. So that is meant to free you. This is meant to tell you, do not wait until you like the sound of your voice. The most important thing for you to focus on is that you have something important to say. And that will make all the difference.